You ready?
Yep.
Come on. They know we're here. Sheriff's office search warrant, come to the door! Hit it. Go. Sheriff's office search warrant, come to the left.
Get on the ground! Get on the ground!
Hold it!
Got one down! Two down! Hold it! Room front!
Move! Keep moving!
Room left!
Go! Move! Take the shield and go! Hold, Chris, hold! Come on!
Bedroom door!
Let's go! Everybody hit! Alright, what's that?
Clear! Backing out!
Sheriff's office, search warrant! Sheriff's office! Clear! Coming out!
Fuck!
It's okay. Keep moving. Come on. We got to finish what we're doing. Come on, you
Got it, back door hold.
all right, hold you. I'm with you.
Tinted windows, can't see through it.
Want your gun?
Yep. Go ahead. I got you.
Go.
Clear.
Got your back. You got me?
Yep, got you. Come on. Got you, buddy. Got you.
Watch your back. Walk.
Lock from that inside.
Ram up. Let's just go around. I think that makes it out. You good?
Yeah. Fuck. I get hit in my leg?
Huh?
Shit. Fuck. I'm good. Fuck, I didn't get hit in the leg. Oh,
Clear secondary.
the bullet barely missed me.
Who's the two shooter?
Me and Mick. He had a gun in his hand pointing.
Where's the squad? Hey, squad. Y'all out.
No talk. Come on.
Hey, self-check. 2 feet over here first. All right. Body check everybody else.